Yeehaw!
Oh, dude, I see your front walkway literally stuttering right here on the side of my conductor. Hey, let me see if I can shift over there to it real quick.
Oh, you're gonna hop over onto my train?
Oh,
We're gonna make it quick because we're coming up on another crossing.
Oh shit, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, see if you can get on the front of your train real quick.
See if I can what?
You can get on the front of your train.
Oh, you want me to get on the front of my train?
Yeah, that's right.
Hey, I'm gonna get us at this crossing really quickly. Shit, missed it!
Just press control, press up button, control button. I see you moonwalking past it.
Oh no! I hit my Windows button! I hit my Windows button! Moon, I'm just passing through! No! Alright, I'm just gonna spam my F11. There we go. Alright. Oh shoot. How's this is really rough part. This is really where I can go here.
I see you right above me.
Hey, whoa, where are you going? I'm starting to speed ahead of you.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
I'm just gonna go in my cab and look at you. Oh shoot, yeah, I'm going a little faster than you here. Oh yeah, cause we're starting to go downhill.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I'm going faster too.
I see you. I see you. Oh man, you're glitching like crazy.
I'm going 26 miles an hour. What the fuck?
Oh shit. Whee! Oh shoot, we're coming up on folks. This is where we need to get next to each other. Come on! Come on!
I'm trying.
Come on! Oh, I hear Amtrak coming up to Fairport. Amtrak 283 passing Fairport.
Oh, I just passed you.
Ah, shit! Stop your train! Stop your train! Oh, you just did an instant stop?
Yeah.
Alright, hold on a minute. Alright, I'm gonna pull up right next to you, and we need to get going at the same time.
Alright, give me a second.
And instant stop. And go. Finish, you're not going!
I'm going.
Oh, jeez! Oh, jeez! No! No! We're fucking up! We're fucking this up! We're fucking this up.
Here. Slow down.
Ah! I'm not even in my train! How fast you going?
15.0.
Oh, shoot.
Oh, you're slowing down?
I'm trying to get my screen matched up with yours.
Oh, okay. Okay, you're pretty mashed up now.
There we go. Try to look into your... Oh, yeah, I see you!
How's it going?
Let's go in!
Jesus.
we are just so dysfunctional.
This is gonna go well.
This is gonna go so well, dude. We're gonna cruise along 15 miles per hour. I'm going 15.3 now. Shit! I think as we're going down the hill now.
Yeah. I'm going 15.8 now, yeah.
Yeah, I'm going 15.9.
Yeah, I'm 16.1.
16.2 for me.
Yep. I'm climbing down the hill now. 15.5. 6.
7.
7. 8.
Yep. 9.
Yeah.
17 now.
And now we're equal. It's not on the thing.
Oh, geez, that's gonna give me a seizure looking at that. Cause you're glitching so much.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Hey, you're over there like shaking like crazy, like a little.
Yeah.
You know my in-cab number says UP889394.
Really.
Yeah, on the inside of my locomotive.
Wow. Mine just says 6402.
Interesting. And mine literally says UP8894 and 5.
Nice.
It's a bit worrisome. They didn't really finish off that touch of of Miss.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
you're slowing down hell fast there on that one.
Oh yeah, I see you. How's it going?
See.
Oh, I'm going 23.8 now.
I'm doing 24.3, 4,
Yep,
5.
same. 5, 6, 7.
I'm doing 25 now. So 2, 3, 4, 5. I think mine's climbing faster than yours because it's the weight.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, because all this damn weight's been pushed.
Yeah. Yeah, you're starting to go faster than me now.
Yeah, I'm 29.4. Oh, there you are. Hey, good.
Oh, you're hanging out on the back of your engine there, I see. Hi!
Hey, how's it going, man?
How's it
You see me?
going?
Am I moving?
Yeah, you're going faster than me, dude.
No, am I spinning my character?
Oh yeah. Yeah, yeah, you were actually turning. Turn around, spin around. Yep, 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 yep. You were actually spinning around.
I'm not climbing.
I'm trying to get right next to you so I can see you. Oh no, I'm going faster than you now. I can see you at my back window. Am I actually turned around facing out my back window?
Nope, you're just steadily looking forward.
Dang it. Because I'm looking backwards at you.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, now the front. Oh, there you are.
Hi! Dude, this is just so stupid. This is so fucking stupid.
Oh my god, you keep dapping over. You're like, oh.
I just came back to the back of my engine. It's just so fucking stupid.
You like tapped your door there. Oh, here comes St. Mary's River. Probably. I've never seen this out here on the front porch.
Yeah, I'm on my back porch.
I don't think you ever had a front porch on the back porch.
I'm gonna slow down a little bit to let you catch up here.
But see, I kind of wish they would kind of update the A-line a little bit more.
Yeah.
Because, like, see, what is it, the Callahan? Callahan should have double tracking.
Yeah.
Like single track. I actually live here in the A-line area.
Yeah.
Actually, where I live, the closest A-line that I know of that's next to me is the Lagna. I actually
Yeah.
live, and I can actually see Bobsway kind of circle electric thing when I actually go through the Lagna every time.
Yeah.
And I've actually seen Black Station a couple times. I've actually been down there. I've actually seen Amtrak a couple times when I look past there. But I mean, I just kind of wish they would come out with an update for it, like make Callahan double track. I kind of wish they would make
Yeah.
Baldwin, like old Baldwin Yard maybe, other Crawford like Diamond area and everything. Because I mean, the whole double track, like Baldwin and everything.
Yeah.
That whole double track right there.
Yeah.
Like Crawford Diamond, that would be kind of cool to see. That's like
Yeah.
that's like a real hangout right there. And
Yeah.
you have like the Simpson yard. That'll be like a nice little NS line to come into. What
Yeah.
is it? Like have a little NS train come in, like locals.
Oh, we're coming up on a crossing.
Oh, they are?
Yeah.
Oh, I can move past way back. I mean, it would be nice to have a little bit of few touching on them.
Yeah. Oh, geez, you're all the way back by my freaking passenger cars.
Yeah.
How fast you going?
26.
All right, well, I'm going 21, so you should be catching up to my head-end engine soon.
Yeah, I'm going 27.2 right now.
Okay. Giving you a chance to catch up with me here. I think we're starting to go uphill now, so.
I set my cruise to 28.0.
Okay. You want to try going a little bit faster?
Yeah, sure. I'll set my cruise to a little bit different.
Yeah, why don't we set it to about 40?
Alright.
Oh, geez, you're flying by me.
I'm only going 29.
I'm going 22.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So I was giving you a chance to catch up with me. Oh, now I see your first ballast car.
Oh, you see my first house car?
Yeah. Oh, now I see the connection between the two.
Yeah, I'm holding steady at 30.5 right now. Because this fucking hill. Yeah, this hill is fucking killing me right now.
Oh, geez. Well, I'm holding at a... I was gaining speed.
Yeah, this hill is fucking steep right now. This fucking train. And it's killing me. I'm really in...
How fast you going?
30.6.
Alright, hold on. Let me get to that speed. Hold on. Once I get right next to you.
Yeah, as soon as we get past this crossing, I should be going downhill.
Yeah.
There's another hill on the other side of this hill. If you see that all the one, you should see the other.
Yeah, I'm about to pull right next to you here.
Oh, like we have CHP over down here before.
Yeah.
It's always nice to see a friendly CHP officer out here.
Oh, great. Now you're going faster than me. I think.
I'm going 31 now. See, as I was saying, as soon as I go around that crest of the crossing, now I'm going downhill. See, now I'm going downhill with this dip now, which I'm going to be going up the hill again as soon as I go across the dip.
Yeah, let me speed up here to get caught up with you here.
Yeah, I'm starting to climb now. As soon as I hit 40, I'll keep it at speed control.
Oh, geez, we're coming up on a steep hill here, Terry.
Oh, I know. I'm going to try to keep it at as much speed as I can. Yeah, you'll be able to keep the hill on.
I'm going 40.1.
Alright, give me a second. Let me see how much speed I can climb.
Bye. Oh, geez, I'm going 41. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Because we're going downhill.
I got 41.4. I got.
Oh, I think we're passing through. We're passing through Boulogne.
Oh, we're right next to each other.
Sort of.
Yeah, you're jittering like a motherfucker.
Yeah, you are too.
I'm going 43, 44.
44 now too, yeah. 44, that's me! Gets a cold cuts. Gets a cold cuts. Have you seen that commercial?
I don't think so.
Oh, it's so funny. I'll have to look it up for you. Hold on, I'm gonna look up that commercial. Hold on. Alright, watch that. It's so funny.
I'll watch in a few minutes.
Alright. Oh, geez, I'm falling behind you now.
Oh, Jesus, really?
Yeah.
I'm slow down to 30. Oh, God, I'm slowing down way down now. I'm down to 37.
I'm going
36.
31, so don't be feeling bad.
Yeah, I have all that damn weight pushing me now, and that's dragging me now.
Yeah.
Oh, here comes the defect detector up here. Watch us both have defects.
That'd be so fucking funny. That'd be so fucking funny. You have a defect.
Motherfucker. I'm like, well, I'm going to the rip track.
Aren't you gonna be picking up those other cars at the rip track?
I might.
Just let me know so I know when to stop.
Yeah, I might pick them up.
Get some cold cuts. Get some cold cuts.
Man, the fucking crossing is like automatically initiated this far away. Like the whistle post is literally at like half fucking like 1,000 feet away.
How fast you going?
34, about to be 35.
Oh shit, alright, hold on, let me slow down then.
Yeah, you're passing me like a book.
Yeah, I'm booking it by There's no CHP.
Well, I only see like a Pontiac, red semi truck.
Oh, two CHPs. On our right.
I didn't see them. Well, let's see what we got.
Jeez, they went off simultaneously. I'm gonna wait for us up around this corner here.
Alright. Oh, I'm back up to 41.4.
Go back to 40.1.
Alright.
We do not have any defects. We do not have defects. That's good. What?
What's the speed you want to go to?
40.1.
Okay.
Because you're way ahead of me. Or slow down a little bit and then try to get to 40.1 right when I'm getting close to you. Because I'm like about 5-6 cars behind you.
Alright, I got my cruise control set. 40.1.
Yeah, I'm about 4 cars behind you.
Alright, I'm just cruising right now. I don't got no power put on. So it's just cruising at 40.3. I'll let you catch up.
Alright. Oh, geez, you're going ahead of me again.
I'm still just cruising. I don't got no power on.
Dang, I'm trying to catch up to you.
Oh, I see you back there.
Yeah, I'm falling behind a little bit here.
Yeah, flying right above my frame. Yeah, you're about all 5 or 6 cars back behind me.
Yeah. Is that crossing coming up? Yes, it is a crossing coming up.
It's crossing. Already activated.
Alright.
Like I just speed that flag.
You creeping on me? That's so creepy. That's so creepy. You're just like this. No. You're just like this. No. It's so creepy. It's like I'm just peering at you through the fucking bush. Dude, this is so going on YouTube.
We missed another crossing.
Ah, fuck!
Shit.
Luckily, oh, so you're gonna stop at this rip track up here and pick up these cars?
Yeah.
All right, well I'll start. All right, well I'll park up by the crossing then and wait for you.
Alright. Oh, and now you're passing me. Holy shit.
Oh, I am?
You're passing me like a motherfucker.
Oh shit! Oh yeah, is it because you're slowing down?
Oh yeah.
I would say Springer stop right there, Terry. I'll go ahead and be your I'll go ahead and be your conductor for this round. For this pickup.
Alright.
Oh I need to come back there and disconnect your cars. Hold on. Go ahead and look and go ahead and look out your window.
I see it. He's still running.
Huh?
He's still running.
That's probably far enough right there, Terry. That's far enough right there, bud.
Keep going.
Apply the handbrake. Alright, Terry, you good? Pull up about 3 cars. 3 or 5 cars. 8894 CSXTWO99. Pull her up about 5 cars. 5. Two cars. 1 car. And that's good enough, WO99. Alright, WO99 taking back about 10 cars, 1-0. Keep her coming. Actually, no, actually, that's more about 20 cars, actually. I'm not really good at reading car lengths.
It's good back there.
Yeah. So I'd say about 20 cars. $15, 1-5. Time to go. Keep her coming. Five more. Keep her coming. 4 cars. 3. 2. Keep her coming. Throttle up again. Keep her coming. 1 car. 40 feet. 20 feet. 10 feet. And that's far enough. That's far enough.
Good.
I need a 3-step for the conductor. Alright, go ahead and release the handbrakes. Actually, here, I'll do that, actually. Hold on. I'll go through and release the handbrakes.
Alright.
How many cars we got here this siding?
And brakes are applied, or brakes applied. So you do your thing.
Alrighty. I got about 4 cars left to go with the handbrakes, so we're almost done.
Alright.
3 to go. Well, went a little far there. Alright, all handbrakes are released. Hold on, I got to gotta hop on the back car here.
Alright.
Alright, 8894, I'm up and riding. Take them forward about 20 cars. 2-0.
Roger that.
Oh, they still haven't found Brian yet?
No.
They still haven't found Brian yet.
Still sad he hasn't found. They found yet.
Yeah, he's still missing in action. Oh yeah, there is a new virtual railfan camera now.
Yeah, there's 2 of them.
Yeah, Fairport and what else?
And Parkville and I think Fairpoint.
Yeah, it's at Fairport.
Fairport?
Yeah, it's actually in my state.
Yeah.
Oh geez, there goes another train passing by Fairport.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Yeah, Virtual Railfan came out with a video announcing the 2 on their YouTube channel. I talked about the 2.
Yeah.
Yeah. I watched a little bit about the one in Missouri, but I mean the one in Missouri I don't really get because
Which one, La Plata?
No, not the what?
You talking about the La Plata, Missouri cam?
No, not the one in La Plata. The one in the other one in Missouri, the newest one in Missouri.
Kansas City?
No, not Kansas City. No, they just came out with a new one in Missouri with the
Oh, okay. All right, bring her to a stop. All right, I'm up and riding. Take her back about 10 cars. 1-0.
Alrighty. Then
Yep, 10 cars. 1-0. Five to go. 88-94. Keep coming. About 5 to 8 cars left. Keep her coming.
okay.
5 to 8. All right, now it's 5 to go. 4, 3, 2. Keep it coming. 1 car. 40 feet, 20 feet, 10 feet, and stop. All right. Should be all set to go now. Just make sure you do. Just make sure you do the F7 stuff, F5, F7, all that.
Yep, he did it.
But I'm not gonna walk that whole entire fucking train just to deactivate some handbrakes.
Yeah. Alright, I need you to do the whole walk around structure.
Yeah, right. Alright, I'm pulling up to the crossing.
Alright. Oh, we got something to say. Right next to us. Oh, dude. My train
What?
is officially 52. It went from 42 cars to 52 cars.
Are you moving?
I am now.
Alright, well I just applied my air brakes to slow down for you.
Now, I was saying, my train went from 42 cars to 52 cars.
Went from how many cars to how many cars?
It went from 42 cars to 52 cars.
42 to 52?
Yeah, and now my tons is 5,800 to
Damn!
43.
Damn, son.
Yeah.
Damn, son. You got a huge train now.
Yeah. Almost like a mini coal train.
Yeah. Hi, bye.
Bye bye. Oh god, EO1 is coming out of fucking Callahan now.
Oh, wait, who's that? Oh, jeez.
And apparently we have a fucking Q603 coming out of fucking Race Pond. I
Yep.
think he goes. I think he goes all the way to fucking Tampa. Yeah, that's where he goes. Shit, you're getting ahead of me.
Oh, I didn't even know I passed you.
Yeah.
I was looking at the DS screen. I had no idea I passed you.
Yeah, I'm in your like 5th or 6th fucking passenger back here.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah, this is a heavy bitch.
A heavy bitch. You know, I'm gonna delete my train and actually just ride with you.
Okay.
I've had enough racing. I've had enough racing. I'm just gonna come ride your train. If I can get ahead of you to hop on it. I missed!
There they are.
I'm in your cab now.
What the hell? You know the seat that you're right next to, the extra workman. His seat is literally lounged back.
Ah, yes. I'm nice and lounged back. Awesome. I'll just lounge back in my chair.
Jesus. Steadily climbing at 16 point or 17 miles an hour.
Yep.
Slowly climbing. Come on, Nito, get up to like 30. That's all we need.
That's all we need.
Jesus. Yeah, I'm gonna get this guy out of Callahan. Right?
Alright.
See if he can get out of Callahan real fast.
Alright.
Okay, we gotta wait before we can get to Callahan.
Alright, I put a stop indication down while he's coming out.
Yeah.
I'll probably just dispatch for now.
Alright. Just so you know, don't move the U4. I mean, if you want to move U470, you can. He's a Coltrane. You need to go to the park now. You can move down. Q603, he needs to be moved to Callahan so he can come behind us. CSX 4835 from Galacta, which is N152. He's southbound. He needs to go into Stanton Connection. You need to go into
Who does?
CSX 4835.
Okay, I'm not going to move him. I'm just going to worry about the stuff on the double track main.
Okay.
That's the only territory I'm dispatching is the double track territory.
Alright.
And up on Race Pond. I'm probably going to move 603 out right behind you. And then if I need to, I'll run him around you. Depending on how fast you're going. Well, that was fun. We had a nice little race.
We'll probably get past Callahan before he needs to
Okay.
get down here anyway. Because, I mean, he'll be a fan of this. So, I mean, we'll get past Callahan.
Yeah.
Because, I mean, we'll be going into Pond Creek and just going into one of the side tracks.
Yeah.
So, on siding. Oh, that's real good.
We're coming up on Hilliard.
Who? Hilliard's actually a pretty nice little town, actually. If you ever plan on, or planning actually to rail fan the A-line, rail line?
Yeah.
Or if you ever plan on going down to Folkestone?
Yeah.
It's actually a pretty cool stretch of
Okay.
track. Actually, rail fan, actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. I live right next to the S line now.
Oh, nice.
So,
Did you move or something?
A what?
Did you move or something?
Yeah, I moved away from Jacksonville to go. I live literally like 50 miles away from Jacksonville now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I live more toward Stark.
When actually did you move?
A what?
When did you move?
Well, like a year ago.
Oh, I thought you moved recently.
No, I moved like a year or two ago.
Oh, okay.
But what is it? But yeah, what is it? Well, last time I rail fanned the A line was when I lived in Jacksonville, and I would be able to walk my dogs up there. It was either every morning, and I'd be able to hear like Amtrak's, like PM91, PM92, like the Auto Train, the Silver Star, Silver Meteor. Be able to hear like all the A-line manifests, Autoracks, you name it. Every single morning, day, night, every day.
Yeah.
You gotta literally just go up like 3 or 4 blocks from the main line.
Yeah.
Like I can literally show you the crossing and the control point here on this game where I ran man.
Oh, nice.
So I mean, yeah, it's literally modeled in this game.
All right.
Yeah. So,
E001 is clear.
okay.
We're all set to go, man.
All right.
We'll be coming up on him here very soon.
Yep.
Hey, guess what?
Well,
We're coming up on a hill.
yeah, that's why I just full throttled it.
Yeah.
Yeah, the track that I live closest to, which is the S line,
Yeah.
which is probably like 5 miles from me.
Yeah.
5 miles. Yeah, I can literally go to it. Well, like we're going to like the grocery store or something.
Yeah.
I go over the crossing to it, and literally right at the crossing, there's a defect detector right there, right at
Really?
the crossing. Yeah, so
Oh, nice.
which is cool. But
Yeah.
I mean, right as I go over the crossing, there's literally I always check both sides of the track. There's literally always nothing there. Or
Yeah.
beautiful to see the next. But then if I go the longer way, which is to downtown Start, you can see a double track main line, which is basically CSX's main line, which is the racetrack as we always call it.
Yeah.
For CSX, which always goes straight through, which starts for the main line for Start, and then also for what is it? It goes all the way through or bypasses Baldwin, and then it also goes past Baldwin, and then or it goes all the way straight. Yeah, it goes straight through Baldwin and it goes through bypasses Baldwin, and then it goes all the way straight through Cadillac, goes straight through Crawford, and then it goes to Callahan. And then basically it continues as double track main line for Callahan all the way into to where we are right now.
Yeah.
So it's the A line, basically. Oh, here we are. We're meeting in 01.
Yep, and 001.
This is engines.
Got a nice little consist.
Yeah, I gotta switch his little his consist out his cars. I gotta put some L&N and some different on
Yeah.
there. That's what I normally put on there because I act like it's like repurposed Denver Rio Grande that has like CSX logo on them.
Mhm.
Like remember when CSX had those?
I don't know.
Yeah, I've actually seen those. CSX had actually purchased like several Denver Rio and little offers and all that. Yeah, they actually did that for a while and actually used them on coal trains like those.
Yeah.
So, oh yeah, did you hear about the new Transcend World 2 DLC coming for St. Patrick's Day?
For what?
You know the Transcend World 2 game?
Yeah, I don't. Yeah, I don't play it though.
Well, apparently, since we already have the AC44 CW and the SD40 and the GP38.
For what?
Apparently, for CSX St. Patrick's Parade for Transcend World 2.
Oh, nice.
Basically they remastered the route that originally came out for Train Sim World, and they put it on the console edition and the new Train Sim World 2. They just remastered it and made it a lot better and everything.
Oh, nice.
Basically, we're getting our first train DLC, our locomotive DLC for the route, which is going to be the C40-8W.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
And basically, we're going to get a car DLC with it too, which is going to be which is going to be those pole hoppers that we just saw, double 001.
Yeah.
Which is going to be the three bay hopper cars.
Yeah.
Yeah. Which should look nice because all we have is the Bethcon.
Yeah.
Top models. That's all we have. So I mean, there should the process.
Yeah.
Everything. Let's just hope they have actually good sounds.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Alright, I think I'm gonna hop off for the night.
They are.
Yeah, I'm tired, dude.
What time is it anyway?
8:47.
Damn.
We've been playing for like the past couple hours.
Yeah.
This was actually fun, man. I actually had fun playing with you. I haven't played with you in so long, dude. It was actually a lot of fun.
Yeah.
I got some YouTube content out of it, so I'm happy.
Yeah. That's good.
So yeah.